Have you considered making the switch to propane? Are you looking for a dependable provider? County Propane is here for you. We're a family-run business, so when you work with us, you become a part of our family. Did you know that using propane in your home can save you 30% each year? Our experts are prepared to show you all the benefits propane has to offer. Our showroom is always open for consultation, and we'll work with you to develop an ideal plan for your home. We understand how important your family's safety is to you. It's important to us, too. Our technicians are trained in safety practices and use state-of-the-art equipment to install propane. Safety doesn't end here. We'll inspect your appliances each year, from fireplaces and dryers to ovens and heating systems. We'll check in annually to provide you peace of mind and continued savings.
Our propane, we have an additive in it called HD5, good for the appliances to keep them clean, a little less buildup of debris, and just overall a better quality propane.
Your home is your greatest investment. That's why we'll carefully plan out any project and be sure to maintain the grounds when we work in and around your home.
So after they left, our property was as if they hadn't been there. It was very clean and very organized, and the propane tank looked awesome.
No job is too large or too small for our team. County Propane works with a variety of industries to offer propane solutions, including home builders, appliance manufacturers, restaurants, and more. If you're just starting your project, we'll work with you from the ground up to masterfully implement propane in the build. If you're looking to make the switch, we'll develop a plan perfectly suited to your business. With propane, you can always expect increased revenues and decreased costs. We're all about superior customer service, which is why we're available to serve you 24/7 whenever you may need us. We provide the level of service you deserve, whether it's a simple propane tank refill or the construction of a home or building. We promise to provide you with a lifetime of exceptional service and the best value for your propane needs. Make the call today.